Yeah, another job in the books. Security camera installation. Armonk, New York. Finished this job kind of late at night, as you can see. Clean installation. No wires being seen. Abstract Enterprises Security Systems. Here doing another late night security camera installation. We got one of the cameras at the front of the house. Clean. No wires being seen. Give you a brief tour, brief walkthrough. Walk with me. That's another camera right there. And one right there. 4K, 8 megapixel camera installation. Do the other one right there. We actually did about 7 in total on this job. Give us a call. You got any installation jobs that need to go in? Looking for a reputable, reliable company? We're that company for you. Enjoy your night. A lot more videos to come.